25,000 hours. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and YouTube is doing another good job keeping up with stats because I guess I have really fallen off with keeping up with progress and things. But on the dashboard last week, and I was really focused on prime number video, that I looked at it, was shocked, and then went on with the video. But I thought today's video would be a great thing. So I did the math on this, and this is 2.85 years of view time, and I guess another 150. But this isn't minutes, but this is hours. 25,000 hours of watch time of my content, and that just I can't even well, as you can tell, it really boggles my mind. 2.85 years of people watching all of my content and spending that amount of time if you were to do it in sequential order. So whenever we hit these crazy milestones in 10 million impressions, 10.5 million impressions, these have popped up in thumbnails and things like that, and 831,000 views. Just really shocking, really taking my breath away. I really just truly still love making these videos, getting questions from everyone, needing help and support, wondering how to solve a problem. But I'm getting very, very close to really wanting to articulate how to deep dive and to transition into thinking as a programmer, dissecting a problem and moving through it. And I'm getting very, very close, and I really think that's either going to be the next video or the video after. It's in between that or the nth prime, because I had another idea about that, but really kind of formulating those thoughts, and really want to tear down any fears or resistance or challenges to really get you through that next evolution, and have you really just always constantly think about a problem as how would you write it as a program. So can't say thank you enough, but thank you as always. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.